In the heart of the Crimean Peninsula, amidst the frigid winter of 1853, a battle was brewing. The Crimean War, a conflict sparked by political tension, had engulfed the region, and the Battle of Balaclava was about to become its most memorable chapter. The British and French armies, seeking to seize the heights of the Greater and Lesser Redan, were poised to charge against Russian forces. The stakes were high, and the tension in the air was palpable. The British cavalry, led by Lord Cardigan, were mounted on their horses, their faces etched with determination and resolve. They were about to embark on a daring charge, a move that could tip the balance of the battle. As the British cavalry advanced, the cannons roared, the air filled with smoke and the scent of gunpowder. The Russian forces, caught off guard, stood their ground, firing indiscriminately. Amidst the chaos, Lord Cardigan and his men pressed on, their resolve unbroken. However, as they reached the Russian lines, they found themselves faced with a formidable obstacle: the Russian artillery, protected by a thick line of infantry. In a desperate move, Lord Cardigan ordered his men to charge the Russian lines. The British cavalry, their horses charging with a ferocity that sent shivers down the spines of the Russian soldiers, broke through the infantry lines. But the victory was short-lived. As the British cavalry reached the artillery, they found themselves surrounded and outnumbered. The Russian cannons began to fire, decimating the British ranks. Lord Cardigan and his men fought valiantly, but the odds were against them. As the sun set on the battlefield, the British cavalry was forced to retreat, leaving behind a trail of fallen comrades and a tale of bravery that would be remembered for centuries to come. The Battle of Balaclava was a testament to the spirit of the British cavalry, their bravery, and resolve in the face of overwhelming odds. However, it was also a stark reminder of the tragic consequences of war, a reminder that victory often comes at a great cost. The Crimean War continued for another 2 years, but the Battle of Balaclava remained a significant event, a battle that showcased the courage and resilience of the British military, and the tragic consequences of war.